One day, Little Frog wanted to sell his muddy pond. "I want to move to the city." "For sale! For sale!" he shouted. Old Cow walked by. I need some grass." So Frog planted green grass. Little Duck came by. I need more water." So Frog added water. But it still didn't sell. Little Bird came. "I want trees." Butterfly came. "I want flowers." Bunny came. "I want a road." Monkey came. "I want a house." Frog worked and worked and worked. Soon, the muddy pond changed. It became a beautiful, cozy pond. Little Frog looked around. "Wow, what a nice place." "I'm not selling it," he called. Like and follow.